We're wrapping up our 30 days of Pinterest. The last two videos are going to be my top 6 Pinterest accounts for handmade businesses. The people that I am featuring have no clue that I'm featuring them, but I have been following them, I love them, and I think they're doing an amazing job, and I wanted to share them with you. So if you haven't watched the rest of the 30 Days of Pinterest series, make sure to click the link in the description or in the top right of the video and click the card. And the first account is Stillroom Botanicals. This Pinterest feed is just so beautiful, so light and airy. I think it's gorgeous. Every time I look at her Pinterest or her Instagram page, I just feel like I take a nice deep breath and it's just beautiful. So even when she includes a photo of herself, it really fits in and ties well into her branding. As you can see, some of the things that she pinned, such as food, aren't from her, but they actually work so beautifully together with her brand. You can tell she chose each pin very carefully and thoughtfully and intentionally. So if you have more of a light and airy brand, or you work on more neutral or muted tones, definitely check out the Stillroom Botanicals. I will have a link in the description box below. Check her out. You will love her. Next is Love, Joy, and Wreaths. She makes handmade wreaths, and I think that her stuff is just so gorgeous. I love watching what she's doing. This new collection is the Cotton and Carrots Spring Collection, and she does something that I think is just genius. In her board, she has her pins for her board, but she also has 2 sections, one called Decorating with Carrots and one called Decorating with Cotton, which from my understanding is like the inspiration for her Cotton and Carrots collection. If you want to learn how to make sections, definitely click the link in the description, or it'll be showing up in the card right now. And I'll show you how to make descriptions and how to organize your Pinterest boards. Clicking into the Decorating with Carrots, you can see these are different pins and DIYs about how to use carrots around your house to decorate, and I think it's perfect for springtime. And then we go into the Cotton, and it's the same thing, where it's just beautiful inspiration. I think if you make products, definitely do this, because your customers will not just feel like you're selling to them, it'll feel like you're bringing them on in the behind the scenes look of your collection creation. And if you haven't already signed up for how to do awesome product lines, definitely check out ladymora.com/handmade, where I show you how to create a 10-piece product line so that you can have something that turns out as beautifully as her Cotton and Carrots collection. I just think you're going to do an awesome job with it. Okay, and now on to the next Pinterest account. Sabbatical Beauty is another beauty product brand where she and her team hand make all the products, and she has a very good following or viewing on Pinterest. As you can see, she has over 200,000 monthly viewers. The different graphics that she creates, or the pins that she creates for her brand or explaining the ingredients, feature the nice bold black that's in her logo, because you can see her logo is that black flower. So when she does make graphics, she makes sure to include a bold black within them, and she also features her product photo, so definitely check out her Pinterest account as well. And as a bonus, you have the Lady Mora Planner Stickers Pinterest account, which is mine, so this is just a little bonus treat for you. If you haven't already checked out my Pinterest account, go ahead and follow me there, because you'll see all the fun things that I'm doing with Pinterest. This is just part 1 of my favorite Pinterest profiles for handmade businesses, so definitely check out part 2, where I'll go into 3 more awesome profiles for you and tell you what I like about each one. So check out that video, check out part 2, and I will see you there.